create a new 2D scene, change the root node to a CharacterBody2D, give it a sprite, let's give the sprite a texture, move it to the middle, resize it down. Let's add a script, delete this, let's add two variables, direction, which will be a vector to I, and speed, which we'll set for now to 200. In the physics process, we want to check if any input is pressed. If input dot is action pressed, UI up. We want to set direction dot y to -1. Else, if input dot is action pressed, UI down, we want to set direction dot y to 1. Let's copy this. For left, we want to set the x direction to -1. For right, we want to set the x direction to 1. Else, if the user isn't pressing anything, then direction should just be a 0 vector. Then we want to set the velocity of the body to direction into speed. Then we just call move and slide. Missing colon here. Save scene. Let's run it. And pressing the arrow keys, we can move the body around.